Welcome back to my channel, all kinds of astrology and foreign travel. So, friends, today I'm here to discuss with you a very interesting topic again. So, in Nadi Jyotish or in Vedic astrology also, is there any technique to know whether a person will have a break in the education? If your child is currently studying, this video is very important for you. Okay, how will you see or predict that from your son or daughter's horoscope that there will be a break in the education, at least for 1 year? He or she will fail. Okay, nobody can stop it. What are the connection in the chart to see that? Can Vedic astrology predict it? I doubt. Okay, again, I'm here not to blame anyone, but in Nadi astrology, there is a clear technique to see whether you a break in the education or not, your child has a break in the education or not. The question is how? How do you know? Let's start this. Here we see the break in the education with Jupiter and Ketu. Okay. If you have seen my video of Albert Einstein, the horoscope analysis of Albert Einstein, I have explained this, in that video also. Albert Einstein also had this connection. So, but we all know he was a genius, right? But still, he failed in ninth grade. Okay, because of this connection, so powerful this connection is. There would be a break in the education in any particular year, and that particular year also we can tell. We need to see the horoscope, okay, and the timing of event that I will discuss in later videos. See, suppose here in this particular case, this is Nadi astrology technique. House is not important. You see your chart, you see your child's chart, see the Jupiter. Where is Jupiter sitting? If from Jupiter you see Ketu is sitting in any of the trine houses, if suppose this is an example, suppose Jupiter is here, anywhere Jupiter can sit in your horoscope, okay? You see the trine houses, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one trine house, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is second trine house, okay? So, if it is setting here, then this is one trine house and this is one trine house. If you see, Ketu is any of these houses in trine connecting Jupiter, okay? From Jupiter, it would be 5th house or 9th house, again the trine houses, okay? There must be a break in the education. As simple as that. I have seen in hundreds of horoscope, this would match, okay? Very simple. You see, suppose Jupiter is here, you see the trine house, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if Jupiter is here, then this would be 6, 7, 8, and this would be trine houses. So if from Jupiter, anywhere Ketu is sitting in the trine, then we can easily predict that this native will have a break in the education. Okay, that's it for today. Let's see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.